Throughout the route, students were telling me that paper leaks are endemic in India. They study, they work hard. Honest students suffer, and students who want to cheat benefit. And this was repeated again and again and again and again. Now we are seeing an expansion of the idea of Vyapam across the country. BJP states have had to deal with this. Uttar Pradesh has had to deal with this. Madhya Pradesh has been a center of this. Gujarat has been a center of this. And now they have expanded this idea to the rest of the country. This is extremely damaging to students. And it's happening because all our institutions have been captured. Our vice chancellors are placed not based on merit, but because they belong to a particular organization. And this organization and the BJP have penetrated our education system and destroyed it. What was done by Mr. Narendra Modi to the economy with demonetization has now been done to the education system. Youngsters, I want you to know that the reason this is happening and the reason you're suffering is because an independent, objective education system has been demolished, and it has been replaced by an education system that is captured by the BJP, captured by their parent organization. And until this capture is released, you are going to suffer. You're going to see cancellations of your exams. You're going to see paper leaks again and again and again. One paper has been cancelled. We don't know what is going to happen to NEET. But whatever happens, it should not be done in a arbitrary fashion. The rules that apply to one paper should apply to another paper. And it is very important that the people who are guilty here are brought to book and they are punished. Thank you. मेरिट के बेसिस पर लोगों को नहीं जॉब देंगे. अगर आप आइडियोलॉजिकल लोगों को वाइस चांसलर बनाएंगे, इनकेपेबल लोगों को वाइस चांसलर बनाएंगे, एग्जाम्स के जो स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, एग्जाम लेने के स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, उनमें आप आइडियोलॉजिकल लोगों को डालेंगे तो ये काम होगा. ये इसका सबसे बड़ा कारण बीजेपी एंड इट्स पेरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने जो कैप्चर किया है ये है. और अगर आप कल्प्रिट ढूंढना चाहते हैं तो मैं आपको बताता हूं जिन लोगों ने हिंदुस्तान के इंस्टीट्यूशंस को डिस्ट्रॉय किया है, जो पहले ऑब्जेक्टिव हुआ करते थे, इम्पार्शल हुआ करते थे, वो आज इम्पार्शल नहीं है, ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है, आइडियोलॉजिकल बना दिए गए हैं और मीडियोकर लोगों को इन इंस्टीट्यूशंस में बैठा दिया गया है. इसका मेन कारण यह है. और इसका आप एपिसेंटर देखिए. पूरा देश जानता है, युवाओं आप सब जानते हो कि इसका पहले एपिसेंटर मध्य प्रदेश हुआ करता था. वहां पे 40-50 लोगों की हत्या हुई थी.